Okay guys, so seriously, this was the coolest thing I may have ever done.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience. Morning guys, we got up dark and early and drove to the west coast of Florida where we are swimming with the manatees this morning.
Yes. We made a reservation with River Ventures, so we are going to go out. They take you out. It's about a half-hour ride, give or take, and then you can swim with the manatees. So with the manatees, it's cold and they come into the shallower water, so it's warmer for them. So they recommend doing this in like February and March, so pretty excited. Hopefully we'll get to see some and get some close encounters, so we'll see what happens.
Yeah, we have the GoPro to go with, and then we also rented a waterproof camera as well for Megan to take pictures on, so we'll put as many videos and pictures as possible.
Yeah.
And it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to it.
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
We'll bring you along the way.
Yeah, see ya.
We got a defogger here. Thank you, sir. Dip. We're good to go. 10 out of 10 would do again.
Right now we're looking at a natural spring. This is what keeps the water fresh over here. So that's what we were diving down trying to get to. Struggling to get to is more accurate. But we saw the manatees and then we came over here. Just so cool. So awesome. And they use up your whole time. Incredible. Highly recommend. If this was out of 10 stars, I'd give them 11.
Yeah.
So cool.
Okay guys, so seriously, this was the coolest thing I may have ever done. I've been snorkeling twice before, so I was kind of used to, like, I was like, all right, I kind of know what this is gonna be about, but this was like way cooler than I could have expected. Literally, I had a manatee like swim just like right under me, and I was like holding my breath because you're not supposed to touch them, and I just couldn't get over that. It was just like right there, and it did it multiple times, and we saw the mom and the calf there feeding. It was so cool, and I couldn't get over. Like, seriously, 10 out of 10 recommend, 11 out of 10 recommend. Just incredible.
It was really cool.
Just incredible. Awesome.
All right, we're gonna finish moving these videos over and then moving them over to a secondary like we talked about before, because
He's a super nerd.
I'm a nerd. I like our data security, especially the most awesome experience we've had on this trip.
Yeah, it really was. Like, I know we haven't even gotten to the Everglades yet, but like, I can't wait.
Also, if you've never been snorkeling before, this was my first time. It took me a little bit to get used to breathing underwater. Really weird experience. I kind of got in and very quick rapid breathing, almost like a rabbit you'd think. And then it's like, all right, I'm here, I can breathe. Slow breathing down, and that was much better. So just something to get used to.
You have to like think about breathing through your mouth, because you can't breathe through your nose, because if you do, you get either like rubber straight up your nose, or if you breathe out through your nose, you get water in there. So you have to literally just think about, I'm breathing through my mouth over and over and over again.
And it's not normal, because normally you don't breathe underwater.
Yeah.
So it's not natural, so you have to really think about it.
Yeah.
But once you think about it and get set, it becomes natural.
You kind of get used to it a little bit, but seriously, awesome experience. They're very family friendly. They were good for us. We were a random couple that was with a family. Anybody can do this. It was so incredible. You can even bring people along on the boat that don't want to swim. So like, you just have to make sure that they also get a reservation, but somebody can come out if they just want to have like the experience of going out on the boat and seeing them. It was truly just so incredible. Cannot recommend it enough. All right. We are now driving about 4.5 hours down to Everglades National Park. So
We'll see you there.